Okay, we have another example. 120% of what is 60? That is simple because I did one before. Okay, this one is the number of 100. Number of 100. And what, which is the base. And then 60 is the amount. So let's translate. We're going to have 120 over 100 to 60 over the base. Okay, let's do equating cross product. So 120b 100 times 60. So now to find b, the base, we are going to divide both ways by 120. Okay, now we have 120b over 100 over 120 is equal to 100 times 60 over 120. Okay, so now 120 divided by 120 is 1, so you have 1b there. And then right here, let's do this in the calculator. We have 100 times 60 divided by 120. The answer is 50. So the base is 50. This is the final answer. Okay. Now we have 16 is what percent of 40? So, you know this 16 is the amount, and what percent is the number of 100. And 40 is the base. Let's use another color. It's the red one. It's the base. So right now we're going to translate. So we're going to have n is the number over 100 equal to 16 over 40. So now we are going to do cross products. So n times 40 n, and 100 times 16. So now what we are going to do, we need n. So we have to divide both ways by 40 to find n. One hundred times 16 over 40. So 40 divided by 40 is 1. That means we have 1n equal, let's do it this in the calculator, 100 times 16 divided by 40 is 40. Yeah. The answer is 4%. That's it. Genau. Next one. Solve 64% of 55 is 1. So 64% is the number of 100. Represents the number of 100, and for the 55 is the base, and what is the amount. Okay, let's translate. Translate 64% is 60 over 100. The base is 55. Okay, we're going to have 64 over 100 and b over 55. So because this one is the best, let's replace this one by a, the amount. Okay, so now we're going to do the cross product that called equating cross product. So now we're going to have 100a equal 64 times 55. So dividing both ways by 100. So we're going to have 100a over 100 equal to 64 times 55 over 100. This one gives you a equal. So let's do this in the calculator. (64 times 55) over 100 is equal to 35.2. 35.2. That is the amount. Okay? That is the amount. So now 64% of 55 is 35.2. That is the correct answer. Hello. Today we are going to work on percentage problems. So the first example is 20% of what is $45. So, you know, 20 is the number of 100. And then what? Let me use another color. What is the base? And 45 is the amount. So now, let's translate. Translate. So 20% is 20 over 100 is equal to the base and then $45. Okay. So now equating cross product. Okay. So we're going to have 20 times B and 100 times 45. So we have 20B equal to 100 times 45. So what are we going to do? Divide both ways by 20. So 20B over 20 equal 100 times 45 over 20. So 20 over 20 is B equal to 100 times 45 over 20. Let's use the calculator. So 100 times 45 divided by 20. The answer is 225. Okay? Thus, 20% of $225 is $45. So the answer is $225. That's the correct answer. Okay. Example 2. What percent of 84 is 10.5? So, on this one, what percent represent the number of 100? Okay? And 84 is the base, and 10.5 is the amount. Okay? So now, let's translate. So the number of the percent is n over the 100. You have the base and the amount. So you have 10.5 over 84. So let's do cross. We're doing equating cross product. So n equal 100 times 10.5. So right here, divide both ways by 84. So n 84 over 84 equal 100 times 10.5 over 84. So n equal, let's do it in the calculator. So 100 times 10.5 divided by 84, the answer is 12.5%. That is the final answer. It's easy. Okay, next one. We have minus 8 plus 11a minus 5b plus 6a minus 7b plus 7. So right here, we're going to check which one has the same variable. Okay? You're going to use a different color for each one. So right here, you have minus 8, which is a constant, and then plus 7 is a constant. That two going together, right? And then the second one is 11a, the variable is 8. So we're going to check which one has the same variable. Like you have this one, which is 6a. So that two going together, okay? And then right here, we have minus 5b minus 7b. They are the same variable. They are going together. Okay, so it will be easy for you to do it. Let's start. So you have minus 8 is going to plus 7, constant with constant, and then 11a and 6a. You have this sum plus 11a plus 6a. Okay, and now you are going to do this one. Minus 5b minus 7b. Okay, this one, you have this one. This one is minus, this one is plus. So what are you going to do? Subtraction. And you keep the sign of the biggest number, which is the minus 8. 8 is bigger than 7. So you keep the sign of the biggest number, which is the minus. Okay? So you have the minus sign here. Because the sign is different, you are going to do subtraction. If you have 8, take away 7, it's 1. Okay, now we are going to do this too. Plus 11a plus 6a, you're going to add them because they are the same sign. Plus, plus. Okay? 11 plus 6 gives you 17. And you keep the variable, which is 8. Okay? And then you're going to do this. Right here, you have the minus 5b and minus 7b. Because the sign are the same, you're going to add them and keep the sign. You understand? You're going to add minus 5b minus 7b, and then you keep the sign. Because the sign are the same, you keep the sign and you add them, which is minus. So 5 plus 7 is 12. And the variable is b. And the final answer is minus 1 plus 17a minus 12b. That's the final answer. Okay, that is a simple one. You have 2x plus 9z plus 6x equal. So we're going to see which number has the same variable. So you have 2x and 6x. They are the same variable. And here you have 9z. It just stays by itself because there is no more term that has the same variable as 9z. Okay? So now, let's go. So you have 2x and 6x. 2x plus 6x. And then you have 9z. So, because this one is the x and this one is the x, we're going to collect them. Right here, you have a plus right here. Plus 2 plus 6 give you 8. And the variable is x, you keep the variable. Okay? because the sign are the same, is the plus 2x and plus 6x, you add them and you keep the sign, which is 8x. And then the 9z, you don't have any term to combine with it, you just keep plus 9z. That is the final answer. Okay, now let's see. We're going to collect like term. You have minus 41a plus 90 plus 60a minus 2 equal. So we're going to collect like term. So let's see which one has the same variable. We have y here and y here. They are the same variable. We're going to collect them. And this one is a constant, and this one is a constant. We're going to combine them. Okay? So let's go. So minus 41a plus 60a. Okay? And then plus 90 minus 2. Okay. So, because the sign are different, you are going to do subtraction. You are going to do subtraction. And you are going to keep the sign of the biggest number. Right here, the biggest number is 60. So the sign in front of it is plus. You're going to keep the plus sign, and then you are going to do subtraction. Because you have plus 41a and minus 60a. The sign are different, you are doing subtraction, and you keep the sign of the biggest number, which is plus. 60 minus 41 gives you what? 19. And you keep the variable, which is a. And now you have plus 90 minus 2. The sign, let me use another color. The sign are different. You are going to do subtraction too, and then you keep the sign of the biggest number, which is plus. Okay, you keep the plus sign. 90 minus 2 give you 88. Okay, that's the final answer. You see, it's easy. Or you can write it like that too. Or 19a plus 88. Okay, you can write it like that too if you want. Okay, that is the final answer. Okay, now you're going to work on collect like term. You have 3a to the 6 minus 9b to the 4 plus 2a to the 6 b to the 4 minus 7a to the 6 plus 4b to the 4. So we're going to look which term are the same exponent. When you look at the first one, you have 3a to the 6, 3a to the 6, that a to the 6. And right here, on this one, you have a to the 6. So you're going to collect that two terms. So 3a to the 6 minus 7a to the 6. So now you're looking which one has the same exponent. You have 9b to the 4th right here, and you have 4b to the 4th. Let me use another color so you understand this better. So you have this and this. So you have b to the 4th here and b to the 4th over there. So you're going to collect them. So minus 9b to the 4th plus 4b to the 4th. So this one doesn't have any term to combine with it. You just keep it just like that. 2a to the 6, b 4. So now, what are we going to do? We're going to collect it. So right here, you have 3a to the 6 and minus 7a to the 6. Right here. So what are you going to do? You're going to keep the sign of the biggest number. Right here you have 3 and right there you have 7. So set 3 right here look like you have a plus. And right here you have a minus. So you're going to keep the sign of the biggest number. So you're going to keep minus. So right here you're going to have minus here. So we're going to do subtraction. 7 minus 3 is 4. And then you keep the a to the 6th. And the next one, you have minus 9b to the 4th plus 4b to the 4th. So you're going to keep the sign of the biggest number, which is minus 9. 9 is bigger than 4, so you keep the sign of 9. So you have minus. So you do subtraction. 9 minus 4 is 5. And then you keep the variable. And then that one just stay like this, plus 2a 6b 4. Simple and easy. Okay? Let's do another one. So now we are going to do example 2. So now you have x to the 3 minus 5x to the 2 plus 2x to the 3 minus 3x to the 2 plus 4. So now you're going to check which one has the same exponent. Okay, we're going to use a different color for each. So here you have x to the 3 over here. And right there you have 2x to the 3 over here. So that is x to the 2, x to the 2. You're not going to do nothing with this right now. So you're going to collect that 2. So you have x to the 3 plus 2, 2x to the 3. There is no more after this, so you check the next one. So now you have minus 5x to the 2 right here, and minus 3x to the 2. minus 5x and minus 3x. So the constant 4 going to stay like this because there is no term to combine with it, plus 4. So right now we are going to collect the term. So right here you have, it looks like you have a plus 1 here. X to the 3 plus 2x to the 3. Look like right here you have a 1, right? And now 1x plus 2x give you 3x, x to the 3. Okay, right here you have minus 5x to the 2 minus 3x to the 2. So minus 5x to the 2 minus 3x to the 2, you're going to add them and keep the sign. Okay? You're going to add them and keep the minus sign. Okay? So you keep the minus sign and then you add them. When they are the same sign, you add them and you keep the sign. You understand? It's easy. 5 plus 3 gives you 8. And then you keep the variable plus 4. That's it. That's the correct answer. 3x to the 3 minus 8x to the 2 plus 4. Okay, example 3. So you have 9x cubed y plus 4xy cubed minus 6xy cubed plus 3xy equal. So now we're going to look which term has the same exponent. Right here you have 9x to the cube y. Do you have something you have x to the cube? No. So we're going to keep this just like it is. And right here you have 4xy to the cube. And then right here you have 6xy to the cube. So those term, they are the same. So you're going to collect them. And then you have 3xy going to stay just like it is because there is no term the same as 3xy. Okay? So let's go. That one, 9x cubed y. So right here you have plus 4 minus 6. So what are you going to do? You're going to do subtraction. And then you're going to keep the sign of the biggest number. Okay? You're going to keep the sign of the biggest number. Like you have 4 plus 4, and right here you have minus 6. The biggest number is 6. So you're going to keep the sign in front of 6, which is minus. Because this one is a plus, and that is a minus, you are going to do subtraction. Plus 4 minus 6 is equal to 2. And then you keep the variable. And then this one doesn't have any term to combine, you keep it. The final answer It's easy. When you have two terms to combine, if the sign is different, you do subtraction and you keep the sign of the biggest number. That's what I do right there. Okay, simple. We are going to do example 5 and you will be understanding it better. Okay? Example 5. We have 6x cubed plus 2x minus 5x cubed plus 7x equal. So now we're going to see which one has the same variable. So, okay, we have 6x cubed, 2x, 5x cubed plus 7x. Which one has the same variable? Almost the same, all of them almost have the same variable, but only the difference is the exponent. So you're going to combine the number who has the same exponent and variable. Okay? So right here you have, let me take the, you have x to the x cubed, and right here you have x cubed. So let me use another color for this. Right here you have only x, and right here you have x. So what are you going to do here? We're going to use, collect that two together, and then we're going to collect that two together. That is simple. Okay. So now you have 6x cubed minus 5x cubed, and then plus 2x plus 7x. So now what we're going to do, we're going to collect them. So you have right here, it looks like is this sign plus here. Plus 6x cubed minus 5x cubed. Because the signs are different, you are doing subtraction. And then we're going to keep the sign of the biggest number. The biggest number is 6. So the sign for the 6 is plus. So that will be positive, right? And then because you have plus 6 minus 5, you are going to do subtraction because the signs are different. Okay? So when you subtract, 6 minus 5 is 1, right? So you're going to have 1, and then you keep the variable x cubed. And here you have plus 2x and plus 7x. Because the signs are the same, you are going to do addition. And you keep the sign. You're doing addition, you keep the sign, which is plus. So, plus. So, right here you have 2x plus 7 gives you 9x. And here you have 9x. That is the final answer. Okay?